Welcome back to Planter Gardener. Today we're going to feature planting devil's tongue chili peppers. And if you've never tried this before, what a treat this is. It has a fruity and hot uh, chili pepper taste at the same time. I already have my mix ready. And what I have in here is basically potting soil, vermiculite, and some compost. I get my starter tray and I just fill it up like this. Really easy. Anyone can do this. And it just takes a matter of minutes to do. And I guarantee you, you're going to really enjoy this pepper once it's ready. You just pack it down nice and tight. Now, here's the tricky part. When you get your pepper, this is how I like to do mine. I start from the top with some scissors, and I cut it open. Usually the seeds are back up here, and I just cut it open from here, and just go straight up. And I try to avoid cutting any seeds if possible. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move my tray out of the way because I don't want my seeds to fall in there. And when I open it up, you could see the seeds near the upper portion of the pepper. And then I'm going to put them in my starter tray. I just rake it out of there, maybe one or two per section. And this one has a lot, and I could smell it already. Boy, it smells really good. Let's get those in there like that. It's okay if you get too many in one section, because later on as they start to grow, you can always thin them out. Should we get all of them? And then, remember, this only has to be about a 1/4 inch deep. So I'll take my potting mix and I'll just sprinkle a little bit on there. It's about, makes it about 1/4. And then from here, I water it and keep it in a shady area. Don't overwater it, just keep it a little bit moist, but don't overwater. And then from here, it should germinate. I'll keep it in a shady area, not too much sun while it's trying to grow. That said, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with us in our garden. Don't forget to click and subscribe so you can watch our upcoming videos. Join us again at the Green Thumbers Playground.